Welcome to Gizbot. Today we are going to unbox the all new Realme Buds Air 3S True Wireless Earbuds. These were launched alongside the Realme Watch 3 Pro, and the price point for these budget True Wireless Earbuds is 2499. Today we are just going to take a look at the box accessories, the design of these True Wireless Earbuds, and we will also talk about the specifications, features, and the overall design of these budget True Wireless earbuds from Realme. So before we unbox this unit, let's have a look at the key specifications of these True Wireless earbuds. So as you can see from the box that these earbuds come with 11mm liquid silicone triple titanium base drivers, and we have a 4 microphone design AI ENC that offers AI noise cancellation while you make voice calls. Then Realme offers customized EQ tuning with the help of Realme Smart Link application. And looking at the right side, we can see that these True Wireless earbuds come with silicone ear wing tips and 10 minutes of charge for 5 hours playback. This is the battery life that Realme is promising with these True Wireless earbuds, and the company says that a full charge will give you 30 hours total playback. So let's quickly unbox the unit. Let's check out the design and other features of these True Wireless earbuds from the house of Realme. Let's open the box. I think we have the black color variant, but you can also buy these True Wireless earbuds in a white color option. Here we go with the box, or you can say the charging cradle for these True Wireless earbuds. So as you can see, we have a transparent lid over here, and this is quite glossy, and it is also gathering all the fingerprints and smudges. So I think you will need to carry a cloth to wipe all those smudges. But overall, I think this design looks quite new. Realme hasn't launched any True Wireless earbuds with such a design, and this is quite new for the True Wireless earbuds from Realme. We have a Type-C charging port at the back side of this charging cradle, and the box is quite bulky. It is not like the previous True Wireless earbuds, which were quite tiny in size and were more portable to carry in a 10-inch pocket. These are quite big as compared to company's previous True Wireless earbuds. Now we have a Dare to Leap tagline, which is Realme's marketing line, and here we have the newly designed Realme Buds Air 3S with a short tip. And yeah, I think you will have the touch controls over this stem, but I'm liking the overall design. This is quite a new design for Realme True Wireless earbuds, and this looks very unique. And I think we have a shark fin kind of thing here at the top, which should help you to offer a snug fit in your ear cavity. We have a gray color interior for this box and black color buds. You can also spot an LED light here which is blinking white color as of now, which shows that these are in the pairing mode. And let me tell you that these True Wireless earbuds work with Bluetooth 5.3, which is quite interesting and good for a budget True Wireless earbuds. And that's all about the design of these True Wireless earbuds. I think this looks very good for a pair of True Wireless earbuds that are priced under rupees 2500. Now let me just keep it aside for a moment so that we can have a look what else you get in the box. Now there are some accessories. Forever Dare to Leap, Hi Realme Fan. This is basically a user guide. If you haven't purchased Realme earbuds before, you must have a look at it. And then we have some additional ear tips to help you find the right fit for your ear shape and design, so that you can get a good passive isolation, because you don't get active noise cancellation with these budget True Wireless earbuds. So these are some additional ear tips that you must check out to find a perfect fit for your ear type. And then you have a charging cable, a good quality Type A to Type C charging cable that should help you refuel the battery cell inside these True Wireless earbuds. Now let me tell you that Realme offers connectivity with Realme Link application that you can install on your smartphone. Let me just quickly install the application, then we will show how to pair up these True Wireless earbuds and what features that the company is offering with the Realme Link application for these budget true wireless earbuds. So this is a Realme Link application that you can install on your Android or iOS device, and there's a small button, a physical button at the front of these earbuds, so you can just press longer for a moment and your buds will appear in the application. Just tap on the icon of the Realme Buds Air 3S and these earbuds will then connect with your smartphone. As you can see, just tap on pair, tap on agree, and here we go. So there's a new update. I'll just tap on later so that we can check what are the features or settings that you get with these earbuds. So first of all, as you can see, both the earbuds are 100% charged. You can choose the sound effect as per your preference. You can go with deep bass, you can go with pure bass, and you can go with the original sound or the other option. You can also customize the equalizer settings, which is quite convenient for a pair of true wireless earbuds. So you can configure all the frequencies as per your listening preferences. Then you have the volume enhancer option. Listening to audio at high volume, this will just give you a warning, but if you are in a noisy environment, then you can use this feature. Otherwise, I would recommend you to disable this feature. Then you have the game mode. These earbuds come with 69 millisecond latency, and then you have a dual device connection. You can connect two devices at the same time and switch between them easily. So this is a very handy feature, and I'm glad that Realme is offering this with these budget true wireless earbuds. Then you can customize the buttons. The touch controls are offered on this small stem. This glossy part hosts the touch panel, so you can customize all these buttons. You can double tap for play, pause. You can customize the right and left earbuds as per your convenience. I think a good combination of features and utilities are offered, plus the equalizer support is quite good for these true wireless earbuds. So we'll just quickly upgrade the firmware, and then in our complete comprehensive text review, you will find more details about the performance, the audio performance, and the battery life and the voice call performance for these true wireless earbuds. So this was a short unboxing and first impression video for Realme Buds Air 3S. You can buy these budget true wireless earbuds from Realme's website, and these are priced at 2,499 rupees. I hope you liked this video, and make sure you subscribe to Gizbot for more technology videos. This is Rohit Arora signing off. Have a good day.